Does your property take a beating from the harsh New Hampshire weather? My Pro Property Services is a local property maintenance company that is ready to check off the to-dos on your association checklist. A Southern New Hampshire company, we specialize in assisting condominium and apartment associations with their specific property needs. Our experienced and knowledgeable team are ready to tackle any job. Gutter cleaning, pressure washing, wood deck restoration, as well as new deck construction are just a few of the services we offer. Need to get that unit ready for the market? My Pro Property Services can handle all your interior needs, from repainting a unit, carpentry repairs, right down to remodeling a kitchen or bath. You'll appreciate the benefits of our individualized attention, organized for proficient turnaround time, and the team's attention to quality and detail. Always professional, providing superior customer service. Working with a budget? No problem. My Pro Property Services will work with you on a maintenance plan for your budget. We also offer maintenance agreement discounts and payment plans. Whether you're part of a 20-unit or 220-unit association, My Pro Property Services are ready to help you maintain your property. Contact us today so we can get started on your property maintenance plan.